All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Who's active? Who's active? Who's active? Who's active? We are back. 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 Aggressively active. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. No time. You understand? This is 8 p.m. sharp. You understand? 8:01 now. 8:01 now. 8:01 now. Who's active as you're joining? Let me see your comments so I know who's like aggressively active. You understand? I want to know my aggressively active members. You understand? Today discussion will be on another level. Today discussion will be on another level. Promise, 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 promise. I am ready for you guys. As you're coming, drop number one on the chat. Drop number one on the chat. Tell me where you're watching from so that I'll give you a shout out. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. Yo, who's this? Hi, baby. I am Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa, you're active. Mona Lisa, you're active. You're active. You're active. You're active. Aggressively active. Yap, 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 yap. Gather your questions. Gather anything you want us to discuss about so that we'll go straight to the point. You understand? There is no time. No time, no time. How was the weekend going? How do you spend the weekend? Let me know. How do you spend the weekend? I want to know. I want to know how you spend your weekend. You understand? I want to know how you spend your weekend. Yup, 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 yup. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. You're welcome, Mona Lisa. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Aggressively active. You guys like you guys are active. We have two people already and less than 2 minutes. You understand? We have two people already and this is less than 2 minutes already. You understand? 2 minutes less just 2 minutes and we'll have two people. We are going to discuss a lot of things today. You understand? A lot of things, general discussion, top-down analysis and everything. So drop your favorite pair so that we'll just go into this thing analysis. You understand? So that we'll go into analysis. Let's get ourselves prepared for the new week. Let's get a freestyle, freestyle, freestyle. You're highly welcome. I see you. Freestyle, freestyle, freestyle RX. Freestyle RX. How are you doing? I'm doing very, very great. I'm doing very, very great. You're highly welcome. I see you, my brother. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Yeah. Yes, this is Ben VFX. I am Ben VFX freestyle. I am Ben VFX. Yeah. So you're highly welcome. Aggressively active. You understand? We are going to discuss a lot of things today. A lot of things. A lot of things. You understand? What you're supposed to do aside forex trading, this and that, everything. Most like you guys should just be dropping questions so that I'll be answered back to back to back to back. I am ready for you guys today. Just as I told you guys yesterday, that we are going to discuss a lot of things today. That is why the topic is forex top-down analysis and general discussion. Like general discussion, I'm going to take opinion from you guys so that we'll discuss about it. That's just all we're going to do. You understand? That's just all we are going to do. I love you guys. I love you guys. Just keep like make sure your question is ready. You understand? Tell me your favorite pair. Would break it down. Would do a top-down analysis. You understand? So that we'll do a top-down analysis. Let me see. 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 I'm not Mona Lisa. My name is. And you are saying I'm Mona Lisa. Hi, baby. I'm Mona Lisa. All right. Let me see your name. Let me see your name. Aku de Levega Forex. Aku de Levega Forex. Aku de Levega Forex. You are highly welcome. But I see you are the one that tell me that you are Mona Lisa here. You are the one that. So who is wrong now? Who is wrong? Who is at fault? But Aku de Levega Forex. You are highly welcome. From which country? From which country? Actually, from which country? Aku de Mona Aku de Levega Forex. From which country? I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. This your name is trying to hard me to pronounce, but no how I can try to maneuver. You understand? So that I'll get the name right. You get? So I'll be waiting for your questions. I'll be waiting for your questions. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Which country? Which country? Which country? Which country? My name is Alonso. Brother is Akudela Vega. Oh, Akudela Vega. Akudela Vega. All right, all right, all right. It's still not correct. That's fine. It's still not correct. You know, my tune and your tune might not be, you understand, the same. So I don't know how to put it. But anyway, Sha, anyhow I call it, don't be angry. Tell me where like which country, which country, which country, real quick, which country, which country? Let me see. Bonanoch. Bonanoch. Oh, more this your language. I know to freestyle RX. Which language is this now? Bonanoch. Let me see this one. Let me see this. Let me see this. Okay, Portugal. Una go teach me this language, you. Una go teach me this language. You guys are definitely going to teach me this language. You guys are definitely going to teach me this language. You reach in the future, baby. Amen, oh, amen. As the name implies, you understand? The VFX, you understand? Amen. I accept it. Thank you so much. I appreciate for this prayer. I appreciate my brother. Appreciate my brother. Spanish. Whoa. Spanish. That's why you're dropping Spanish for me, and you have not taught me how to speak Spanish. I would love to like learn how to speak Spanish. You understand? I would love to like learn how to speak Spanish. Oh, what's the problem? What's the problem? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Please stop crying, bro. Stop crying. Oh yeah now. Hit me with your question. If there's anything you want us to discuss about, just let me know real quick. I'm ready for you guys. I'm here, fully ready for you guys. You get? I'm fully ready for you guys. Yeah. I'm ready for you guys. Let me see. Me too. Me too with forest very money every day. See, you are going to make it from forest. You understand? That one is 100%. Just stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, study it every day and night, and you are good to go. Simple as that. That's what I do. Stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, stick to your plan. You understand? And you are good to go. Study your chart every day and night, and you are good to go, my brother. And you are good to go. Speak. Oh, this one was like, you want me to bite my tongue? You say make I speak Portugal. You want me to bite my tongue so that I cannot speak it, my brother. I cannot speak the language right now. I cannot speak the language. I cannot speak the language. Just hit me with question. Let's do a top-down analysis. I'll be waiting for your questions. Let's do a top-down analysis and some of the pairs that we are. That you understand? Let's do top-down analysis. You understand? Let's do top-down analysis. You understand? Let's do top-down analysis. I don't know how to speak Portugal. You understand? I don't know how to speak it, but if you can teach me, I'll be very appreciated. You understand? If you can teach me how to speak Portugal, I'll be very appreciated. Is this Portugal or Spanish or which one? I don't know. But if you can teach me how to speak Spanish, I'll be very appreciate. I will very appreciate. You understand? Open the chat for XAUSD, please. All right, real quick. Let me share my screen. This is it here. I'm ready, actively ready. Goodbye. Where are you going? Please stay around. Please stay around. Give me some questions and stay around. Where are you going? Have you subscribed? You have not subscribed and you're going. Please subscribe before you go. Subscribe before you go. Subscribe before you go. Like the video, help me like the video before you go, so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Like the video as we are just starting. Please subscribe, you understand? Subscribe so that you turn on the bell notification. Then whenever I'm coming to live video, you'll be notified. Please subscribe. Please, Freestyle RX, please subscribe. I'll be very appreciated if you subscribe. Please, before you go. Please subscribe. So let's go to XAUUSD, Euro, like gold, the almighty gold. You get the almighty gold. Let's go to almighty gold. We are going to do a fresh top-down analysis on almighty gold. And before you know, the chart will open, you understand? Then, yeah, this is GBP not gold yet. Where is gold? XAUSD. Okay, this is it. This is XAUSD. This XAUSD. This is XAUSD. Real quick. This is it here. This is XAUSD. So if you can see my chart, if you can see my chart, let me see number one from you. If you can see my chart clean and clear, let me see number one from you. If you can see my chart, let me see number one from you. If you can see the chart, let me see a reaction. If you can see the chart, let me see a reaction. Real quick. If you can see the chart, let me see a reaction. If you can see the chart, let me see the reaction. Let me see a reaction from you. If you can see my chart, let me see a reaction. Yep. Real quick. If you can see my screen, you understand? Me today analyze the market entry, the buy, bro, in XAUUSD. Yeah, just wait. Let's do the analysis together. Maybe you have analyzed your chart, you understand? You have analyzed your chart, you know the direction, but not just see what I'm going to do first. You understand? Just see what I'm going to do. If you can see my screen, let me see number one. Let me just press number one on the chart. If you can see my screen, press number one. If you can see my screen, press number one. If you can see my screen, real quick, so that we'll go into top-down analysis on XAUUSD. Real quick. Drop number one. Drop number one if you can see my screen. Drop number one if you can see my screen. Let me drop it here so that it won't distract. I don't know if you guys can see my screen, but I know the screen is working perfectly okay. You understand? This is what I'm expecting on XAUUSD. Okay. This is what I'm expecting on XAUUSD. This is here. On our screen here, this is daily time frame. You understand? This is daily time frame. And if you go to weekly time frame, this is what the market is doing. You understand? The market is moving from down here all the way to the top. You understand? Ever since, you understand, is only this place that go create all-time high, come down to this particular level. This is 1043 something before we'll see all this move to the upside. This is weekly time frame. Then if you go to daily time frame, this is what you will see on daily time frames. You understand? This is what you see on daily time frame. Don't forget to drop your question, because I'll attend to every question. You understand? As you are joining this day live, please like the live video so that it will reach more people. You understand? So that it will reach, YouTube will recommend it to more people, so that will be many on the live stream. You understand? So this is daily time frame, and as you can see on the daily time frame, which pattern exactly are you seeing? You understand? Which pattern is this? The last week candlestick closed bearish, you understand, but it refused to engulf this particular pattern. That shows that if you like do your analysis to the lower time frame, you see that the market is on the major one support level at this particular area. So what are we going to do? We are going to the lower time frame to see what the market is doing. You understand? Whenever you come on your chart, do a top-down analysis so that you know what so that you know the direction of the market, so that you know that either the retracement the market is doing is for a short time or a long time. You understand? A long time retracement or a short time retracement. So let's see, let's go deeper, let's go deeper. You understand? Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. That's it here. That's it here. That's it here. That's it here. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you understand? Please drop your question. I'm coming back for every questions. You understand? And I'm going to reply to all your questions. Don't think, don't because of another person have dropped a question, then you will not drop yours. No, you understand? I dey answer every questions today. You understand? Today is top down analysis on forex top down analysis, and then general discussion means we are having general discussion today because the new week is opening today. You understand? The chart is opening this week, so this night, you understand, we need to have a general discussion. You get me? To have a general discussion to how to avoid loss in the market, how to like wait for your strategy to play out before you take a trade, how to not be in the haste to take a trade, wait for your setup to play out before you take a trade. We are going to discuss a lot. So as you join us, please stick around till you get the benefit of this particular live stream this night. You understand? You get the benefit of this particular live stream this night. I don't know if you guys have seen my last post. You understand? My P&L for the week. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but if you have not seen it after this particular live stream, just go and see how my live stream of this particular week, this past week be. Then rate my this thing, rate my edition, rate what I edit there. You understand? I think I do that edition very well. You get? So this is what we're going to do here. This is what we're going to do here. So on the screen here, the market is on this particular support level, as you can see. The market crashed from this upside to this particular support level. This is where the market is reacting from. If you look closely, there's a support level around this particular area. You understand? There's a support level here, and this is where the market is reacting from on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? So what exactly are you going to do from here? What exactly are you going to do from here? Actually, Sunday. This is the strategy I did on GPUSD. Just join my live stream. Join my live stream. Join this live stream and share your idea with us. You understand? Share what you are looking for. You understand? Any pair at all you are trading, if you have done your top down analysis, let us know what you are looking out for. You understand? On the live stream, join the live stream and let us know what you are looking out for on your own favorite pair. You understand? Then we'll do a top down analysis together. We'll rub mine together and we'll gist. That's all. I'm not going to stay longer on this particular live stream today. 2 hours is okay. 2 hours sharp is okay. And time is going real quick. Time is going. We have spent 18 minutes already. So XAUSD come on this particular support level, as you can see. As the market come to this particular support level, we are seeing this push to the upside, but you are not going to take any action. You understand? I don't know if you take your trade from this type of higher time frame, but me, if I see a market bounce on this type of support level, I'll wait for the market to I'll go to the 15 minutes to see if the market give. Let me see. There's a comment. There's a comment. Hi for Sierra Leone. You're highly welcome. Alpha, you are highly welcome. I appreciate your coming, my brother. I appreciate your coming. You understand? I appreciate your coming. The analysis we are doing analysis on XAUSD. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. Then I'll attend to the question. You understand? I attend to every questions on my live stream. There is no one I left behind. No. I don't left anyone behind. So drop your question. If there is any pair you want us to analyze, just let me know. You're welcome all the way from Sierra Leone. You're welcome, my brother. I love you from Nigeria. You understand? Much love from Nigeria. You know, Nigeria guys who love our African brothers. You're highly welcome, my brother. So this is what I'll do if the market is on the support level like this, on the major support level like this, from 4 hour time frame. the only profitable support level that you're supposed to be waiting for, or a resistance level that you're supposed to be waiting for, is a 4 hour support or a resistance level. You understand? Do you get? The only support level that you're supposed to listen to is a 4 hour support level, 4 hour support or a resistance level. That is the only support level that you're supposed to be waiting for. The reason why you see that the market break below this particular support level real quick is because it's not on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? It's because it's not on the 4 hour time frame. Who's this guy now? Who's this guy? Join live section. I'm on live. Join live section so that we discuss here before you text me on WhatsApp. Mm. Okay, this is it here. This is it here. So if a market come to a major support level like this, I'll go to a 15-minute time frame. You understand? If the market come to a support level on the 4 hour time frame, I'll go to a 15-minute time frame. Then I'll be looking for a W pattern. You understand? This is what I always tell you guys. I'll be waiting for the market to give me a clean W pattern just like this. You understand? And a W pattern is just like a head and shoulder. You understand? It's just like a head and shoulder. So as the market come to this particular support level, this guy, why the disturbance on you on this thing? And he know that I'm on the live section. Hmm? Why is he disturbing me? And he know I'm on the live section. No problem. Now me give you my WhatsApp number. No wahala. So this is it here. Once a market come to a support level like this, all you need to do is to go to your 15-minute time frame and be waiting for a head and shoulder or a W pattern. You understand? This is a clean W pattern. And as you are waiting for the W pattern to form, just keep your eye on a 15-minute time frame and wait for a bullish engulfing candle. Whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle, just take your buy from a support level. You understand? Just take your buy from a support level. If you come on your chart and you see that the market is on a major support level, like that kind 4 hour time frame support level, wait for the market to give you a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? An engulfing candle is a candlestick that open, you understand, and engulf a previous bearish candle. You understand? That is what engulfing candle is all about. That is what engulfing candle. You have here already. I've been seeing your message on WhatsApp. Yes, 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 yes. I've been seeing your message on WhatsApp. I've been seeing your message on WhatsApp. Good day. Hello, good day, sir. Good day, good day, good day. Action. Sunny Destiny, you're highly welcome. This is where you're supposed to stay. Anything 8 p.m. I'm on live here, you understand? So tell me the pair you want us to look into, then we'll discuss about it. You understand? Maybe you have done your top down analysis and everything, but if you rub mine here, it will be very, very okay. You understand? It will be very, very okay. I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. You understand? I see you. You're highly welcome, Destiny. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Highly welcome. The reason why you have not replied you on WhatsApp is because on the live section here. You get? That's the reason. So I'll reply you on WhatsApp when I'm done with the live section. You get? So which one is this? What the choke? What of choke? Break of structure. I think that's choke, ba? Choke is choke. Let me see another question from you to confirm more to buy. Like, see, my own confirmation for buying in from a support level. mm, my own confirmation for buy from a support level is when I see a W pattern combined with a bullish engulfing candle, then I'm good to go. You understand? I'm good to go. That's just all. Maybe your own strategy might be different from my own. You understand? But my own, like what I always look for from a support level is a W pattern, just clean chart to just clean a price action. You understand? I'll be waiting for a W pattern from a support level, then a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. And once I see that, I'm good to go. I'll take my trade. Nothing more than that. I don't complicate things for myself. That's just it. I don't complicate things for myself. I don't complicate things for myself. So since you okay, just see take it for instance. You understand? Since you see this bullish engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame, do you see that the market go below this particular engulfing candle? No, the market did not go below this particular engulfing candle. You understand? I'm not like here to like convince anybody to change from his own strategy to like another person to my own strategy, but we'll just come here to rub mine together and share my own idea with you when and places where market supposed to come for you to look out for a buy. You understand? Just wait for the market to come to a major support level before you look for a buy. That's just all. You understand? That's just all. Whatever you're looking out for on the chart, whatever works for you, just stick to that. You understand? If you use indicator to take your trade, stick to that. If it's working for you, if you use pure price action to take your trade and it's worked for you, stick to that. You understand? But all I know and all I use is a bullish engulfing candle from a support level, from a major support level to one. That's just all. Let me see this question from our brother Destiny. Let me see this question from our brother Destiny. How many times do you trade a day? Just two times. Twice a day. If I take the first trade and I lost it, the second trade I will take, and once I lost that particular one or I win it, that's just all for that day. You understand? And sometimes it's even just once. Sometimes it's just once. Once I get my entry during London section and I win that particular trade, then that's just all for that day. Then I'll be waiting patiently for the next day. That's just all. You understand? I don't do more than that. I don't do more than that. No, 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 no. Two trade per day. If I take the first trade and I lose it, I'll wait for my strategy play out during New Year section. Then if I get the entry, if I get my strategy, if my strategy play out very clean for me, I'll take the second trade. Once I lost it, then that's just all. And once I gain it, I hit take profit, then that's just all for that day. Two trade maximum. You understand? Two trade maximum per day. You understand? And it's not every day that I take a trade. Any day that my strategy do not play out, I don't take trade that day. That's just it. That's just it. That's just it. That's just it. So now my brother that asked for a top-down analysis on XAUSD, I don't know if he's active anymore. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you. You say your name is what? I don't know, but let me still continue. But if you're active, let me see a reaction from you, please. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you. So this is it, yeah. So as the market have come to this particular support level, what I'll be like expecting from XAUSD? Another question. Another question. Let me see. Please, sir, how can I know if it's London section or New York section? Or more, you have a long way to go. London section happen from 8 to 9, you understand, and it lasts till 1 o'clock, you understand. Then from 1 o'clock to down to evening is during New York section, you understand. Then Asian section is in the midnight, you understand. We have three major section in the forex market, you understand. London section happen from 8 to 9, you understand. That is from 8 to 9, London section start till 12 to 1. Then New York section start from 1 o'clock till evening, you understand. But when there is the higher volatility in the market, for you to take a trade is from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m, you understand. That is my own time that I take a trade in the market, you understand. London section is 8 to 9, then it lasts till 12 to 1, you understand, 12 to 1 p.m. Then New York section start from 1 to evening, then around midnight, then new Asian session starts, you understand. So you like practice your strategy, then know when your strategy play out for you. If it is during London section your strategy play out, take your trade during London section. And if it is during New York section that your strategy play out, stick to New York section and take your trade on New York section. That's it. So we are going straight to the analysis that we are doing on the XAUSD. So what I was saying, the market is on this particular major support level on 4-hour time frame. That is the reason why we'll switch down to the lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, wait for the market to give a W pattern or any type of pattern that you want at all, you understand, that you always use, or any time frame that you use. If it is 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, any time frame that you use, or any indicator that you use, once the market is on a support level, wait for your strategy or your indicator to give you signal for a buy before you take that particular buy. But my own personally, I wait for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame before I take a buy. That's just all. That's just all. So any question, any question, any question. So what I'm expecting on XAUSD this particular week is the market to like go up, go up to clear this particular high, you understand, before we see any push to the downside or any push to the downside, you understand, to the upside. I'm expecting the market to come to this particular high, clear the high, you understand. After it clear the high, then we'll see either a retracement like this, then the market will push up, you understand, or it will form something like an M pattern, then it break to the downside, something like this, you understand. This is what I'm expecting on XAUSD. Let me see another question. Please keep on dropping your question. Keep on dropping your question. I'm active to answer your question. If you drop your question, just stick around. I'm going to like answer everybody. You understand? I'm answering everybody. I will answer your question one after the other. I'm coming to your question one after the other. So me too, I'm using top-down analysis approach and SMC. That's very good. Stick to that, stick to that, stick to that. Alpha, stick to that, and you are going to like make it from it. You understand? You are going to make it. Stick to that. Make sure you study it over and 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 over again until you master it. You understand? Until you master it. Let me see another question. Let me see another question. Alpha, I don't know if you are still active. Alpha, I don't know if you are still active, but your strategy and the way you approach the market is very, very correct. Just stick to your strategy to play out before you take your trade. That's just it, and you are good to go. Then who's this again? Another question, another question, another question, another question. Let me see. Another question. Then thanks very much, sir, because it got me confused. No problem, I got you covered anytime, any day. Bring your question so that we'll solve it here. Anything 8 p.m. If there is NEPA, that's all. I'll be here. You understand? If there is NEPA, I'll be here. But on WhatsApp, you understand? For me to have one-on-one conversation with you on WhatsApp, show you everything, or maybe answer your question on WhatsApp, that one is not free. Make a no lie for you. You understand? That one is not free. But to join my membership here on YouTube here is just 3,000 naira. You can join my member on YouTube here, just 3,000 naira, and you're good to go. You understand? And you can join my member here on YouTube. You understand? Join my member on YouTube here, 3,000 naira, and you can be able to join the membership this thing on YouTube here. You get. Then time to time we'll rub mine, show you, give you all the details, the secret and everything. You understand? If you love what I'm doing and you want to join my member on YouTube here, just 3,000 naira and you are good to go. 3,000 naira and you are good to go. You understand? Let me see another question. Let me see another question from you. I'll be respond to every question. Just drop your question and just wait for me to come to that question. You understand? It's one after the other, one after the other. You understand? Drop your question. If it is top-down analysis that you want me to do for you, drop that particular pair. You understand? So that whenever I come to your question, then we'll do that top-down analysis. You understand? If it is top-down analysis you want me to do for you, drop your question. Then wait patiently for me to come down to your question. Then we'll do that particular analysis. I'll be like attending to that question, to every question, one after the other. You understand? One after the other. I'm not going to like jump any question. No, 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 no. I'm not going to jump any question. So let me see. The next question is so please do top-down analysis on GBP USD, please. Real quick, real quick, real quick. You are the next person to answer, and I'll be waiting for more questions from other people. Even if it is you again, drop your question so that we'll do a top-down analysis. If there is anyone at all you want me to like analyze, if there's anything at all you want me to like check for you, drop your question. I'll be coming back to like I'll be one after the other. answering the question one after the other, one after the other. I'll be following the question one after the other. You get? So this is it here. We are going to do a JPUSD top down analysis. You understand? Going to JPUSD top down analysis. Going to JPUSD top down analysis. So I will come down to your question. If you drop a question, just hold on. I'll come down to your question and will like, Jesus, let me share screen again. Okay, this is it here. This is our screen here. Let's go to JPUSD. Drop your question. I'll come back to your question. One after the other, I'll be answering your question one after the other. You understand? I'll be answering your question one after the other. Let's go to JPUSD. Then we'll do a top-down analysis on JPUSD. Then we'll do a top-down analysis on GBP/USD real quick. I just pray the network will not disturb us. Drop your question. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you. I can see your like. Thank you for liking the video. You like it so that YouTube recommend it for more people. Then please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we come on live video here, you'll be notified. You understand? You'll be notified. You understand? That's it. So GBP/USD on our screen here. This is GBP/USD. You understand? On our screen here, this is GBP/USD. Whenever you come to your screen and you want to do a top-down analysis, don't be in the haste to take a trade. You understand? That is one thing I want you guys to like learn. Don't be in the haste at all to take a trade. Whenever you come to your chart, go to the higher time frame and do your top-down analysis. At least 1 hour time, daily time frame. You understand? From the daily time frame, just see how the last day candlestick close. Like maybe this one now. Let's see how last week candlestick closed. Last week Friday candlestick closed. If we see how last week candlestick closed, then we'll come down to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we'll mark our support and resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. Then you switch down from, like, if you do that particular, if you see how the market closed from the daily time frame, you switch down to lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame. You mark your support and resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. Then you switch down to the time frame that you execute your trade, your execution time frame. Then you wait for your indicator to give you signal before you buy or sell from a support and a resistance level. But one thing I want to tell you guys is, please don't take a buy or a sell if a market is not on a support level or a resistance level. Please, you understand? Don't take a buy or a sell if a market, like, if you want to become a profitable trader, just be a sniper, not a machine gun. I always say this particular thing. Be a sniper, not a machine gun. Wait patiently. They say a patient dog eat the fattest bone. You understand? So in this game of forex trading, your like patience is the only thing that will pay you. You understand? If you are not patient enough to wait for your strategy to play out, you will keep on losing money to the market. So if you do your top down analysis, even if the market will not come down to the major support level or a resistance level from Monday to Wednesday, just stay away from the market. You understand? Just all you need to do is to just come to your chart and do analysis. You understand? See how the market is moving until the market come to a support level or a resistance level, or give you a clean signal for buy. You understand? Before you enter, or a clean signal for sell, or then before you enter. Please be a sniper but not a machine gun. Please take that advice from me. So let's do a top down analysis on JPUSD for our brother who asked for a top down analysis. So how I approach my trade is, I'll go to the higher time frame. You understand? I'll see how the last day candlestick close. Like this particular one now is last week Friday candlestick. This is it. It closed bearish. You understand, ba? Last week Friday candlestick closed bearish. So what am I going to do from here now? As I see that the market closed bearish, I'll go to 4-hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level out. You understand? Please don't forget to drop your question. I'm coming back for your question, please. As I'm answering this person, please drop your own question so that I'll come to your question. You understand? If you drop your question, please hold on and be patient. You understand? Wait for me to come to your question, then I'll answer your question one after the other. You understand? Then this particular one, since you have seen this particular candlestick that it closed bearish, you understand, you will go to your 4 hour time frame like this. Then you mark a support and a resistance level out. You understand, ba? As you can see, make sure you look closely to identify something. What they say technical analysis, what technical analysis means, like, use all your sense. You understand? Be very very technical. You understand? Use all your sense, look at the market and see the movement of the market. Then you can be able to predict the movement. You understand? That is what technical, like, be very very technical. You understand? Technical analysis, that is what they call technical analysis. See, if you come on your chart now, you understand, okay, as you see that the market closed bearish on the daily time frame, come to 4 hour time frame. See, look how 4 hour time frame is reacting. If you look closely, this is a bearish engulfing candle. You understand? This is another bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Then what again? Look closely. This is what fucked me up on Friday, because I did not check back to see where the market is reacting from. You understand? This is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap that the market spike to touch. Means the market is going down to like touch, to like retest another support level. You understand, ba? The market is going down to retest another support level. And where is that support level the market is targeting? You understand? No matter what, we'll see a, this is what we are going to see. As the market is moving from here, we'll see a retest here. You understand? Then we'll see a push to the downside, maybe to this particular support level, because this is a support level on the 4 hour time frame. This is a support level on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? This is a support level on the 4 hour time frame. You get? All right, all right. I'm coming to Alpha. I'm coming to Euro USD. You understand? Let me finish with GBP USD. I'm coming to Euro USD. Just stay patient. You understand? Then you, this guy, I will come to this your question. You say, Benvi, you in Profem or real account. I trade both Profem and real account. In my real account, see, I'll come back to this your question, please. I'll come back to this your question. Let me finish from one. I'll come back to this your question. Benvie, you operate in Profem or real account. I will come back to this your question and I'll answer you clean and clear and you understand. Then analyze Euro USD. Alpha, I'll come back to you and I'll analyze top-down analysis on Euro USD for you. Please be patient. Let me finish with this GBP USD. That's what, one after the other, I'll attend to everybody. You'll get, I'll attend to everybody. Just drop your question. Anything you want me to do, just drop it. I'll not jump anyone. I'll follow everything one after the other. You get. So this is it here. I would like what I'm expecting on Euro GBP USD. As the market is about to open, the market will go up, retest this particular resistance level, and then come back to this particular support level. And don't forget, there is a fair value gap here. So if the market comes to this particular support level and you did not see your strategy play out, don't take the trade, because there is a fair value gap here. The market open with fair value. The market create a fair value gap here. You understand? So if the market comes to this particular support level, just wait for your strategy to play out clean and clear, give you a clean signal for a buy before you take a buy from this particular support level. If not, you will see that the market consolidate around this particular area, then spike to the downside to tap on this particular fair value gap, grab enough liquidity or people who will buy from this particular support level. You understand? This is what the market is going to do. You understand? It will come to this particular support level, create an inducement. You understand? Create an inducement, create an inducement, create an inducement, create a fake out. You understand? A fake out like this. Then people will think the market is going to buy. You understand? From here, people will take their buy from here, then put their stop loss below this particular support level, then target the next resistance level. You understand? Then this is what the market is going to do. This is what they call an inducement in the market. If you don't understand the inducement, please look at it very well. This is what they call inducement. let me this is what they call inducement in the market. This is what the market used to grab liquidity every blessed time, every day. This is what the market used to grab liquidity. So you think the market is moving up from this particular support level, then see what the market will do. It should not get a clean signal. This is what the market will do. It will spike to the downside, tap on this particular fair value gap before you see a push to the upside. You understand? This is what the market, this is what I'm expecting from GBP USD in this particular new week that we are going. You understand? This particular new week, this is what I'm expecting from GBP USD. Do you understand? If you understand, let me see number one from you. If you understand this particular analysis, let me see number one from you real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. If you understand the analysis, let me see number one from you. The analysis on GBP USD, if you understand, let me see number one from you so that I'll go to the next question. If you understand, okay, that's very great, that's very great, that's very great. You're welcome, you're welcome. I've seen you, I've seen you, I've seen you, I've seen you, I've seen you. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Okay, the next question, please don't hesitate to drop your question. You understand? Anything you want me to talk about, drop the question here for me. You understand? I'm ready to answer every question. I'm ready to answer every question. You get? I'm ready to answer every question. So please don't hesitate to drop your question so that we'll come back to it and answer you. So this is the next question I'm going to answer. This is the next question I'm going to answer. So he said, this person say, Benvi, you operate in prop firm or real account? I operate in both. I operate both in prop firm and real account. You understand? I operate both in prop firm and real account. Do you know why? I have a funded net prop account, three prop accounts. You understand? But I give one to my brother. I give one prop account to one of my brother. Then I'm using two now. The two is, one is 25K account and the second one is 10K account. You understand? Those are the two that I'm using now. Then and I have account with Octa FX. You understand? I don't make video about that particular one because any profit I make on that one, I withdraw it immediately. So I don't make video about that particular one. You understand? But I use both profit and real account. That's it. You understand? I don't know if I answer you correctly. I don't know if I answer you correctly, but if I answer you correctly, drop number one on the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Drop number one on the chat. Drop number one on the chat if I answer you correctly. Then this one, the next question is analyze EURUSD. Okay. Which question is this? Number one, but if I'm taking my entry, should it be 1 hour or 15-minute time frame? I don't know the type of trader you are. You understand? I don't know the type of trader you are. Actually, I think you are on my WhatsApp, Destiny. I think you are on my WhatsApp. Drop me a question on WhatsApp. Drop me a question on WhatsApp. But I'm going to tell me the type of trader you are. If you are a day trader or a scalper, I'm going to answer you. But drop me the type of trader you are. Either you are a swing trader, a day trader, or a scalper. Let me know. Let me know so that I will answer you real quick. But first of all, as I'm waiting for you to drop the type of trader you are, let me answer Alpha. How good is Octa FX? Octa FX, I trust them. I've been in the game for the longest, since 2021, and among all the among all the broker I've used, Octa FX stand up to be the number one. You understand? The accurate one, like the one that don't scam its users. You understand? That's the reason why I stick to Octa FX. That's the reason why I stick to Octa FX. You understand? So if you check my description, any of my video, check the description, you are going to see a link to Octa FX. Register with them and enjoy your trade. You understand? Register with Octa FX and enjoy your trade. I'm not recommending Octa FX because they are paying me or not. You understand? They don't reach out to me to promote them, but I'm telling you guys the one I'm using. That is just the way I'm using. Okay, you are a day trader, sir. All right. So I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back for you. Let me answer this, my brother Alpha. Let me analyze EURUSD. Let me analyze EURUSD. Then please keep dropping your question. I'm coming back for your question. If you drop a question, please make sure you stay active. You understand? Make sure you stay active. Let me be answering the question one after the other. You understand? Let me be answer the question one after the other. I don't want to be jumping any question. So please keep dropping your question, and don't forget to like the video. You understand? Like the video as many as you can, please. Like the video as many as you can. We still have up to 1 hour and some minutes to go, so please like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. You understand? I'll be very very appreciated if you like the video, please. And if you like the video, I'm going to see it. I'm going to see it. Yeah, I'm going to see it. So this is it here, Euro USD. Let's do a top down analysis on Euro USD real quick. Let's do a top down analysis on Euro USD real quick, real quick. Let's do a top down analysis on Euro USD. Let's do a top down analysis on Euro USD. You understand? Let it load. Is it network or what? Is it network or what? Oh yeah, load for me now. So as we are waiting for trading view to load, the trader, what I'll suggest for you is after you do your top down analysis, you understand, after you do your top down analysis from daily time frame, mark your support and resistance level from 4 hour time frame, wait for the market to come to support to that support level or a resistance level on the 4 hour time frame, then you switch down to lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. My own suggestion for you understand, not your own, my own suggestion for you as a day trader is wait for the market to come to that 4 hour support or resistance level, then you switch down to a lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. Then you wait for the market to form a W pattern. You understand? Then wait for it. After it form a W pattern, wait for it to give you an engulfing candle from a support level. Then you take your trade. After you take your trade, put your stop loss below that particular support level. You understand? And you are good to go. Target 1 to 1, target 1 to 2, or 1 to 3, or 1 to 4, or 1 to 5. I don't know your risk to reward. You understand? Manage your risk very well. Don't over risk and you are good to go. That's it. Don't over risk and you are good to go. I don't know if I've answered you. I don't know if I've answered you. Then my Octa FS is very very good. That's just it. Octa FS is very very good. No matter how they hype any other chart, no matter how they hype any other pair, any other, how is it called, broker, Octa FS stand up to be the number one broker in the industry. Let nobody deceive you. You understand? Let nobody deceive you. Let nobody deceive you. Let nobody deceive you. Let nobody deceive you. Octa FS is number one broker in the industry. Let nobody deceive you. Why is it not loading? 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 Okay, so Euro USD, we are going to Euro USD, EUR USD. Let's do a top down analysis on EUR USD. Real quick. Let's do a top down analysis on EUR USD. I don't know if the guy that asked the question is still active, but even if he's not active, I don't know. But let's do a top down analysis on Euro USD for him. Alpha. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you. I'm going to answer you now like this. I'm answering your question now like this on EUR USD. You say we should analyze Euro USD. You understand? Euro USD. If you are active, let me see a number one from you. Let me see a reaction from you. Let me see reaction from you. If you are active, let me see reaction from you. If you are active, let me see reaction from you. So that we'll dive into the analysis. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you so that we'll dive into the analysis. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Then please drop your question. You understand? Drop your question. I'm waiting for your questions. You get? I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your questions. I will not jump any question. I'll make sure I answer your questions. You understand? Okay, okay, okay. You're active. If the guy is not active, other people are active. Let me just go straight to the point. Let me analyze EURUSD. Let me analyze EURUSD. You understand? Let me analyze EURUSD. So if you are active, you understand? Let me see number one from you. One of my brother is active already. One of my brother is active. Let me see number one from you. Let me see number one from you. If you are active, let me see number one from you. If you are active, let me see number one from you. Some people will just decide to just stay silent like that, but it still makes sense. No hala, no hala, no hala, no hala. Okay, this is the pair we are going to analyze now. Drop your question. I'll come to your question. Drop your question. Drop your question. Okay, 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 okay. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. So this is Euro USD on our chart here. This is 4 hour time frame. Or if you come on your chart, first thing first you need to do is go to the higher time frame. I always talk about this. You understand? Go to the higher time frame. At least, no matter how busy you are, go to the higher time frame. Go to daily time frame and do your top down analysis. Then after daily time frame, go to 4 hour time frame, mark your support and resistance level out on the 4 hour time frame. Then you wait for the market to come to a support level or a resistance level before you take action. You understand? Before you take action, let me see this question. Please, sir, what is your advice? Because I'm trading with a $20 account. All right, I'll come to this your question. Real quick. But just a minute. Let me analyze Euro USD for this our brother. Just a minute. Let me analyze Euro USD for this my brother. For this our brother. So if you come to your charts, first thing first you need to do is to like see the reaction of the market from the daily time frame. Then you switch down to the lower time frame, which is 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you mark your support and the resistance level out. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame, you mark your support and the resistance level out, and this is the support level where the market is being reacting from. This is the support level where the market is being reacting from. As you can see, yeah, okay. You. So the market is reacting from this particular support level. So what are we expecting? And we are seeing this particular bearish candle from the upside already. And we are seeing this bearish candle from the upside already. This bearish candle from the upside. So you go to your 4 hour time frame, you understand, to mark a recent support and a resistance level out on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you go to your 4 hour time frame. You mark your support and the resistance level out. You understand? You mark your support and resistance level out. This is the recent support level where I will expect the market to come to before we see any other push to the upside or to the downside. You understand? And don't forget that there is a fair value gap down here before the market fucks you up. Don't forget that there is a fair value gap down here. The market might. Okay. That's very great. So don't forget that as the market is reacting from this particular resistance level, don't forget that there is a fair value gap right below here. You understand? This is a fair value gap here. You understand? There is a fair value gap here. So don't forget there is a fair value gap here and there is the support level here. So the market to come to this particular, I will expect the market to like come to this particular support level. You understand? After I come to this particular support level, then I'll watch closely to see what is going to happen. You understand? Create an inducement, gather a liquidity. You understand? Gather enough liquidity, create, after it create this particular fake out, then after I create this particular fake out, this is what they call inducement. This is what I'll be expecting from the market. After it come down to this particular support level, it will create something like inducement, you understand, around this particular support level. Then you see a spike to the downside. From here you see a spike to the downside, touch this particular fair value gap before we see a push to the upside, because the market is reacting from a major support level and this is the major support level, and it create this particular fair value gap. Then after the fair value gap, there is a support level, major support level here. What I'll be expecting from the market, I'll expect the market to like come here, create an inducement, give a fake out, you understand, a fake out from this particular inducement, then spike to the downside to tap on this particular fair value gap before we see a spike to the upside. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting on Euro USD in a short period of time. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting on Euro USD in a short period of time. If you understand the analysis, let me see number one from you. If you understand the analysis, let me see number one from you. If you understand the analysis on Euro USD, let me see number one from you. We have less than 1 hour to go. You understand? We have less than 1 hour to go. If you understand the analysis on Euro USD, let me see number one from you real quick, before I go to another question. Then please don't forget to drop your question. As the name imply, Forex Top-Down analysis and general discussion. You understand? Anything at all you want me to talk about, drop the question on the comment section. Drop your thought on the comment section. Then we'll have a general discussion about that particular thing. You understand? So if you understand the analysis so far on Euro USD, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction. Let me see number one, any particular emoji. Let me see a fire emoji, a reaction, any type of emoji at all. Let me see it from you. Before we go to the next question. I'm expecting a reaction from you guys, so that we'll go to the next question. The next question I'm going to attend here is this particular one here. Is this particular one, number one. Okay, you are active, aggressively active. You are active. Okay. You are active. Somebody is active. So we are good to go. So you are the one now. Destiny, you are the one I'm going to answer. So if you are active, let me see a fire emoji from you. If you are active, let me see a fire emoji from you. So that we'll go straight to the point. If you are active, let me see a fire emoji from you. So that we'll go straight to the point. Yup. If you are active, let me see a fire emoji. Real quick. Okay. You are active. That's very great. So you say you have $20 account. You understand? And you say you are trading with $20 account. So my advice for you is, whenever your strategy, that particular strategy that you always study, whenever that particular strategy play out, take your trade, risk just $2 per trade. Any trade that you take with this particular $20 account, risk just $2. You understand? Risk just $2. If you are risking $2 per trade, means you are going to lose 10 trades straight. before you lose this particular $20. You understand? And there is no way you lose 10 trades straight. And if you are risking $2, make sure you are targeting $4. You understand? If you are risking $2 on a $20 account, make sure you are targeting $4. Means if you take your first trade and you lose it, you take your second trade and you gain it, you have like means recover your loss with another $2 on top. You understand? Then you understand ba? So just be strategize with the way you don't over risk the account. All my advice for you is to risk just $2 per trade as you are as you have just how is it called, a $20 account. You understand? You're aggressively active. You're aggressively active. I can see aggressively active. That's my person there. That's my person there. You're aggressively active. You understand? So just risk two dollar per trade. You understand? Risk $2 per trade. Then target $4. You understand? Target $4. Anytime your strategy play out, risk $2 per trade, then target $4. You understand? If you are risking for $2 per trade, you are going to like have 10 loss straight before you lose that account. You understand? And there's no way you have 10 loss in a row. No, 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 no. E no dey happen. You understand? E no dey happen. It cannot happen. No matter the strategy, it cannot happen. So make sure you be very, very strategize. You understand? Make sure your analysis, your strategy play out before you take a trade. You understand? Using this your $20 account. You understand? No matter the account you are using, make sure your strategy play out before you take a trade. You understand? I don't know if I answer you correctly. If I answer you, if you enjoy this answer, let me see a reaction from you too. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction from you. If I answer you correctly, let me see a reaction from you. Then if there is any other question, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. I'm open for more questions from you guys. I need more questions from you guys. I need more questions from you guys. More questions from you, more questions from you. More questions from you guys, more questions from you. Network just I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to say. Okay. All right. Network is just messing everything up. So I'll be waiting for your questions. If you're active, aggressively active. I know. You're active. 247 active. We have less than 1 hour on this particular video. So I'll be like, I need plenty questions from you. Please, let's discuss. Let's discuss something. I need plenty questions from you guys, please. I need questions. Let's discuss. What is this? What is this? I need question from you guys. I need question from you guys. I need question. Or if there is no question, then I'm going to like be gisting you guys. If there is no question, then I'm going to be gisting you guys. That's just all. If there is no question, then I'll be expecting a question from you. Then as you are joining the live video, please don't forget to like the video. You understand? Don't forget to like the live. Then if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the great family. Then we'll grow together. Please like the video, so that we'll go. Like the video. Destiny, is there any other question from you? Destiny, Olo. Is there any other question? If there's any other question, just let me know. If there's any other question, just let me know. I'll be waiting for you. If there's any other question, just let me know. Real quick. Just let me know. I'm here for you guys. I'm here. Ask me question from the chat or from any angle. Just ask me question. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys alone. Aggressively active. You get aggressively active. I'm here for you. So ask me question so that we'll go. Any question from you guys? Any question? See, I'm expecting question like, apart from forex trading, which other side hustle, like what other thing forex trader supposed to be doing to like keep him going, so that he'll be like supporting his trading journey and the rest. Like, I've been expecting such questions from you guys, but why are you guys not asking that questions? Why you guys are not asking such questions? Or does that mean everybody that is attending my live stream have a side hustle who is paying him or her or something? Are some of you guys not a student? Are some of you guys not just a graduate who have not like maybe get a better job yet? So I need a question from you, because me, I know what I'm doing that it's keeping me going on this particular industry, on this particular market. You understand? I know what I'm doing to like afford to like make me afford to be buying data. You understand? To come on the live stream here, this particular live this thing platform that I'm doing this live stream from. I know how much I subscribe. Not that YouTube is paying me. Not YouTube have not started paying me yet, but I know how much I subscribe to be like coming live for you guys, so that I will be rubbing mind. You understand? If I'm not getting money from any other side, do you think I can be able to continue in a forest industry? No. You need money from another side to be supporting your forest journey. You understand? So I need questions from you guys. Like, how do I need to, like, what exactly do I need to do to keep myself going in the forest industry, this and that and that? I'm not the one that's supposed to be giving you guys the clue, but At least as I'm not seeing that question from you guys, I need to be bringing that up, you understand, so that you guys will be asking such questions, you understand. And if you have a side hustle who is paying you, fine and good, you understand, fine and good, so stick to that. I'm expecting such questions like that. Is just drop your question. Not every time that we'll be discussing about top down analysis and the rest. That's the reason why I always put it like top down analysis, forex top down analysis and general discussion. Let's be having general discussion, you understand. Let's be having general discussion that will be helping our life, even aside from trading and the rest, you understand. I know you should start forex trading immediately. All your everything that will be ringing you in your mind is how to make millions, how to make millions, you understand. But it doesn't work that way. I've been in the game for since 2021, you understand. I know how I suffered before I come to this level that I'm not losing money in the market again, you understand. Before I acquire this knowledge that I'm sharing with you guys, you understand. But I have something that is backing me up back to back. I have something that is backing me up. So I want you guys to like have something that is backing you up as well. So ask questions, you understand? Ask questions. What exactly do I need to do to be like to be supporting my trading journey? Then at least I'll be using that one to be eating and the rest. I need such questions from you guys, so that all of us will be going, you understand. Forex will not make you a millionaire overnight. You have to suffer before you become a profitable trader, you understand. Every profitable traders you see today on the internet that you are seeing up and down, that you are seeing their lifestyle today, they pass through one or two things, and all of them have a side hustle, you understand. If they don't have a side hustle, means one of their uncle or their father or their mother have, you understand, built a wealth for them, you understand. Maybe like they have inheritance. If you have inheritance, like if you have a backup, fine and good. But if you don't have a backup, you're just coming from the scratch trying to make it in forex trading. You have to be asking questions so that you'll be learning, you understand, so that you'll be learning. Even as you guys have not bring the question up, I need to like discuss with you guys. So as a forex traders here, as it's like a struggling forex trader who is on this live today, all I want you to do is, if you don't have any side hustle that is giving you money yet, please try get a side hustle. It will not be bad if you even ask for a sales boy or a sales girl, you understand. Work for somebody so that that person will be paying you something monthly, you understand. If you are working, that one will not stop you from be studying your chart. If you come from your work, if you close from your work, come to your chart, set a time, you understand, that you will be coming to your chart and analyze the chart, you understand. Maybe during evening like this, join his live section where an educated person will just come and be like rubbing mind with you guys, just the way I always come here to rub mind with you guys, tell you the real facts, you understand, the bitter truth in forex. Forex is not going to make you profitable overnight, you understand. So please, if you are getting value from what I'm saying, let me see a comment from you guys. Let me see a fire emoji. We are aggressively active, you understand. That's the member that we are aggressively active, you understand. As I have a side hustle who is like that is backing me up. So I want you guys to like have a side hustle that is backing you up as well. You understand? Let me see a reaction from you guys if you are getting value from this. Let me see a reaction from you guys if you are getting value from what I'm saying. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction so that we'll keep going. So that we'll keep going. It's not every time that we'll come on the live, give you top down analysis and the rest. No, I need to like be telling you guys what I do. You understand? That keeps me going as well. Mm? What I do that keeps me going. You understand? In my time of losing, when that time that I always lose in the market, I don't have anything that is backing me up. I don't quit forex for long. You understand? But I have something that is backing me up. That's the reason why I cannot be able to quit forex. And I've come to the level that there is no way, you understand, I'll blow an account again in the forex market. Risk management is very, very tight. You understand? Strategy is working, patience is there, discipline is there. You understand? Those four things is there. So there's no way I can blow any account. Accounts like some people, the people who don't understand how forex trading works, but they will suffer a lot. They think it's by gara gara. Like if you open a, if you fund your account today, you make times two or times 10 of that money. No, forex is going to like clear everything. Forex is going to clear everything. So let me see a reaction from you guys. Let me see a reaction from you guys. I still have a lot. I still have 40 minutes to do with you guys here. 40 minutes to do. I still have 40 minutes to go. So let me see a reaction from you guys. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Even if there is no reaction, let me see a like maybe a question. If there's anything you want me to show you on the chat, if there's anything you want me to discuss on the chat with you, if there's any pair you want me to look into it for you, just let me know so that we'll do a top-down analysis. Because very soon now, in a short period of time, before the next 1 hour now, the market will open. You understand? And the newbies will just jump on the trade. You understand? And blow their account. After they blow their account, they will come fold their hand like this and be watching the market. You understand? Then maybe when their strategy will play out now, they will not have they will not have account to trade with again. You understand? Then they will go back to demo account, and demo account is not teaching you anything. That's the bitter truth. So let me see a question from you guys. Let me see a question. Let me see a question. Let me see a question. Let me see a question from you guys. Let me see a question from you guys. Let me see a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a question. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I want to share this. Okay, let me see. Analyze good. Okay. Real quick. Let's analyze gold. BTC USD. All right, I'll analyze gold, then go to BTC USD one after the other, bro. One after the other, one after the other, one after the other. Let's go straight to gold. You understand? So that I'll show you what I'm seeing on gold. Photographics Media. That's a very great name. It's a great name. It's a great name. It's a great name. Photographics Media. XAUUSD, which is good. XAUUSD, which is good. I've analyzed gold for somebody already, but we are still going to like do a top-down analysis on gold for our brother. You understand? So this is what you need to do if you come on your chart. You understand? Anytime you come on your chart, first thing first, go to the higher time frame. You understand? I'll suggest you go to daily time frame, see how the last day candlestick close. As you can see, this particular one on Friday, it closed bearish. You understand? And as the market closed bearish, the next thing you need to do, from the 1 hour time frame, the next thing you need to do, from the 1 hour time frame, you go to 4 hour time frame. You understand? On that particular 4 hour time frame, the reason why I believe on that particular 4 hour time frame is because of how many times I've seen the market. Wait, hope I'm sharing my screen. Let me see if the screen is sharing. Let me check. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, yap. Now you can see my screen. Before you cannot see my screen, but now you can see it. So this is what I'm saying on BTC USD. Mm, this is what I'm saying on BTC USD. XAUUSD. This is what I'm saying on XAUUSD. This is what I'm saying on XAUUSD. So if you come on your chart, first thing first you need to do is to go to the higher time frame. Me personally, I'll go to the daily time frame. You understand? If I come to the daily time frame, I'll see how the last day candlestick close. As you can see, this particular Friday, the market closed bearish. You understand? candlestick, it closed bearish. You understand? After you see how the recent support and the resistance level out, you understand? So we'll go to 4 hour time frame now like this. And you know gold is like spiking and going to the upside steady, you understand? So you need to be very very careful, because you don't know when gold is will like take an aggressive move to the downside. All you need to do is take your buy from a support level, then you should like take your profit, you wait for it to like retest another support level, wait for your strategy to play out, then you take your buy again, you understand, till the market break below a major support level. When the market break below a major support level, by then you know that yes, the market is going to the downside. I don't know if my screen here is okay. That's very good, so this is the recent support level that we have on gold. This is the recent support level. This is where this is where gold is reacting from, you understand? And if we extend it, this where it is, you understand? So as gold have come to this particular support level, we are seeing a push from this support level to the upside. And person like me, if I see that the market have come to a major support level, what I will do is to go to the lower time frame, you understand? I don't know the type of time frame you use to execute your trade, either 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, I don't know. But my own personally, the one I use is once I mark out a support and a resistance level from the 4 hour time frame, I'll go to 15-minute time frame and wait for the market to come to that particular support and resistance level, to come to that particular support or a resistance level. Then I'll be waiting for a bullish engulfing candle from a support level on the 15-minute time frame, or a bearish engulfing candle from on the 15-minute time frame from a resistance level. That is what I always use. You understand? That's what I always use. So as the market have come to this particular support level, let's go to 15-minute time frame, which is the time frame I always use. I don't know the one that you are using, but if you can tell me the one you are using real quick, then we'll just go and use the one you are using. Let me know your execution time frame. You understand? Let me know your media. Let me know your execution time frame on gold. Let me know the type of time frame you use to execute on gold. You understand? Real quick. Let me analyze the market based on that. Let me know the time frame. Let me know the time frame you use to execute 15 minutes. That's very great. That's the time that is the time frame I use as well. You understand? That's the time frame I use too. So if a market come to a support level like this, what you need to do, you understand, is to go to your 15-minute time frame, you understand, and be waiting for this type of pattern. This is the kind, I don't know the kind of pattern that you use, you understand, your own. I don't know the kind of pattern that you use, but me, I'll wait for the market to like, once the market come to the support level, support level like this, me and you use the same the same time frame. Once the market is approaching the support level, I wait for the market to tap on the particular support level very very well, just like this. Then I'll be waiting for a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? I see inverse head and shoulder. That's very very great. Means the market is going to the next resistance level. You understand? That is very great. The market is going to the next resistance level. But do you know what exactly the signal me I get from this particular support level? Is this particular bullish engulfing candle. This bullish engulfing candle give me a sign that the market is moving, that buyers are take over from this particular support level. You understand? Whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle like this on the support level, since you use bullish engulfing candle, just know that the buyers have taken over from sellers from the major support level. And if you take your trade like this and you put your stop loss below this particular support level, there is no way the market will come all the way to this particular place to stop you out again. You understand? Means you are safe. You understand? This is what I always use to take my trade. If you watch my trade every time, if I take any trade, I must record that particular trade and post it. If you watch my trade, you understand, you will see that before I take a trade, I must see a bullish engulfing candle from a support level before I take that particular trade. You understand? If you watch my video time to time to time to time, you understand, you will see that, you will see this particular thing I'm teaching you guys today. I wait patiently for market to come to a support level, give me a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame before I execute, before I take a trade. You understand? Like now, had it been I take a trade on gold, because last week is this particular thing, this particular reaction is on Friday. I don't normally take trade on Friday like that. You understand? The only trade I take on Friday is on Euro USD, and I love that particular trade. But nevertheless, use my strategy. You understand? And I end the week in profit. That is the greatest joy. You understand? And I post a video of my P&L of the week. If you have not watched the video, you can go to my channel and watch that particular video after this particular live section. My P&L of the week, how I take a trade from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All the 4 trades that I take, I analyze everything and I post a video about everything. So you are going to see everything. So I'll wait for a market to give me a bullish engulfing candle. Once you see this type of bullish engulfing candle from a major support level like this, that is the sign that buyers have taken over from sellers. Pure example, like pure, that is just a pure definition that buyers have taken over from sellers. You understand? Means buyers are in charge of the market that particular period. That is the reason why you are seeing this particular push to the upside. And if you look closely, this is a head and shoulder. Let me delete this real quick. If you look closely, this is a head and shoulder. Let me delete this particular one now. This is a head and shoulder, as you can see. This is a shoulder, this is a head, this is a shoulder. You understand? The market have given a head and shoulder. So what are we expecting? You understand? No how. If the market open and you want to retrace, there is no, like, it's not, the market is not going below this particular support level. No how. There is no way. It will just open and go up, maybe retest this particular resistance level, then come back a bit to this particular somewhere around here before we see a push to the upside. Something like this. That's what I'm expecting. You understand? If the market close open, because do you know why I'm at this particular place, that it will retest? If it will come to this particular place, then come and retest this particular support level. This is the resistance level. You understand? This is the support level that the market break to the downside. As you can see, this is a support level. This is a support level. You understand? On the 15-minute time frame, that the market break to the downside. So as the market is moving from a head and shoulder from the downside, from the major support level, it will retest this particular support level that it break. You know, whenever a support level is break to the downside, is automatically turned to a resistance level. So it will respect it a bit. You understand? Respect this particular resistance level a bit, come down a bit, gather momentum, then break it to the upside before we see a push to this particular resistance level. This is exactly what I'm looking out for on XAU USD. If you understand the analysis, let me see number one. Let me see a fire emoji on the comment section. Please, real quick. Let me see a fire emoji. Let me see a fire emoji. It's not easy. Let me see a fire emoji. Let me see a fire emoji. Okay, let me see. BTC USD. I'm coming back to BTC USD. I'm going to analyze on BTC USD. Let's see what's happening there. All right. That's my brother there. Yeah. That's it. You are absolutely correct. Let me see this question. That is the same analysis I have. Clean and clear. You are good to go, my brother. You are good to go. You understand? Nothing is going to limit you. You are good to go. If you can just do your simple technical analysis like this, just stick to your plan and you are good to go. Nothing is going to stop you anymore. Nothing is going to stop you anymore. You understand? Then let me see. I see inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, that's it. So we are going. If you are still active, let me see a reaction from you. Let's go to BTC USD and break it down again. Let's see. Let's go to BTC USD and break it down. Just tell me you are aggressively active. Right, aggressively active, my brother. Right, aggressively active. Right, aggressively active. Aggressively active. Aggressively active. Aggressively active. So that we'll go to BTC USD. Aggressively active. BTC USD real quick. USD real quick. BTC USD do a retracement and people are taking their life. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with those people, man. Don't know what the fuck is wrong with those people. Aggressively active 100%. I love you, my brother. I love you, my brother. I love you, my brother. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh boy, when somebody is active, even if it is just one person and you are active, I'm good to go. You understand? I'm good to go. All I need is for you to be active, clear and clear. Even if it's just one person, but you are active, I'm good to go with you, man. Not be by a large amount of people, you understand? Not be by plenty people, but the people who are willing to get like knowledge. Those are the people that I want. I don't want large amount of people. I don't want plenty crowd. I need people who want to get value. That is it. Clean and clear. Aggressively active 100%. I love you, my brother. Now let's go to BTC USD and do a simple top down analysis and a technical analysis. You understand? Technical analysis on BTC USD. Let me see. Okay, this is BTC USD here. Let me type it. Then I will go to BTC USD. BTC USD. Should I? Which one will I choose? Which one will I choose? Which one? Which one are they always use? Save. Which one? Should I choose this? Coinbase, no. CFD. Where I no see CFD or handle, let me choose this Binance own. Let me choose this Binance own. Okay. This is BTC USD. You understand? We are going to like do a top down analysis. Let's know where BTC USD is facing. You understand? Just as I always say, if you come on your chart, don't be in the haste. Let me see this comment. 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 I've been taking some trade on BTC USD this afternoon. I grew a small account and looking forward to grow it bigger. But don't be greedy. You understand? Don't be greedy, my brother. Don't be greedy. You know what? See, make I tell you something. Since you have been taking trade on BTC USD today, you understand? Those money where you don't make from BTC USD already, don't risk all. You understand? Risk divide it into three, then risk one part. You understand? But risk one part. Those this thing that's profit you have made so far, divide that profit into three, then risk one out of the three, keep two. Let two be guiding you. You understand? Let two be guiding you. So before then, let's go to the analysis real quick. Let's go to the analysis. BTC USD. Where is it? Okay, this is it here. BTC USD. So first of all, first thing first, if you come on your chart, do a top down analysis. That is just the only thing that will save you. You understand? From the big boys. That is just the only thing that will save you from the big boys' hands. Do your top down. Oh, BTC USD come down to 102. I think that day 102. That day 102. Okay, it's 103. All right, this is it here. Why did we see this particular before the market even crashed to the downside? Do you know that it gives a clean signal that it's going to the downside? But people don't listen to technical analysis. BTC USD give a clean signal that it's going to the downside. You understand? This is it here. See a clean, healthy, bearish engulfing candle on a daily time frame. You understand? see a clean bearish engulfing candle. If you are seeing this bearish engulfing candle, please let me see a reaction from you. If you are seeing this clean bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, let me see a reaction from you before we see this spike to the downside. If you are seeing this particular bearish engulfing candle, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction. 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 So that fire on, fire on, fire on, fire on. So that we fire on, man. No time, no time, no time, no time, no time, no time. If you can see that clean bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame on BTC USD, let me see a reaction from you before that market crash to the downside. If you see that bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame before the market crash to the downside on BTC USD, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Where is my brother? Are you not active? Aggressively active, my bro. Aggressively active. I'm here for you. You understand? Except if another person bring patient. If nobody bring patient, even if anybody bring patient sef, I'm going to answer you first. You understand? One after the other, one after the other. I don't need a crowd. I don't need crowd. I need people who wants to learn. The only thing I want to give is value. I want to be giving value. I want people who want to be give, who want value, not I don't just need crowd. I want people who need value. I want to be giving value. That's just it. I want to be giving value. I want to be giving value. And if you know that yes, what I'm doing is great, then don't forget to like smash the like button, like smash the subscribe button, like the video so that YouTube recommend it to people who will be interested in it. You understand? So that YouTube will recommend it to people who will be interested in it. All right, all right. I don't know if it is network that is disturbing you, but maybe okay, you are here, you are here, you are here. I know you are here, you are here. That's very great, that's very great, that's very great. Before this particular crash happened, this little crash that happened that some people are dying themselves, the market give this signal. See this bearish engulfing candle. You understand? You see this bearish engulfing candle is a sign that the market is going down. You understand? The market will do a little retracement. And what exactly are they seeing? The market is an all-time high. You understand? And it clear this particular high, give this bearish engulfing candle. What did they think? Okay, they want the market to be going up, 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 so that it will never come down again. And you know they happen like that. It doesn't happen that way. You know they happen like that. No, no, no. So this is what I'm saying. The market is on this particular support level. Presently, the market is on this particular support level. Let me mark it out. Let me mark it out. But first of all, I need this is BTC USD. This is not currency pair. So we are going to go deeper in it. Let's see what's happening. You understand? We're going to go deeper in it. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. All right. We are going to go deeper in this. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Emmanuel, you are just coming. Good evening. How are you doing? 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 I see you, my bro. I see you. I see you. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. What I love about you is you greet everybody. You understand? That's one thing that I love about you. I like that thing that you always do. You greet everybody. I greet you, boss. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. You're highly welcome. So now we are doing analysis on BTC USD. Don't hesitate to drop your own, like your own pair, your own favorite pair, so that we'll analyze that for you too. You understand? So this is what we are doing on BTC USD. So the market crashed to this particular support level. You understand? If you mark from a clean top-down analysis, this is a support level, but just that the market clear liquidity from this particular support level. You understand? That is the reason why you see this particular week Let me expand it. You understand? This is the major support level that the market supposed to reverse from, but it cleared liquidity because there are a lot of people who will buy from this particular support level. So the market clear liquidity to the downside. You understand? That is the reason why you see this spike to the downside on the weekly time frame. Then it quickly pushed up. You understand? So we'll go to daily time frame now. Let's see what daily time frame is doing on BTC USD. You understand? So this is a major support level. Don't forget, this is a major support level. You understand? But all you need to okay, all you need to know and have in your mind is BTC USD is overbought already. Is overbought. There is nothing no anybody can tell me. If you are not a day trader or maybe a scalper, if you want to like invest in crypto, stay away for now. Stay away from crypto investment for now. You understand? Stay away from crypto investment for now because they have overhyped it. You understand? To the level that the market need to crash to the downside and rest. You understand? The market is going down to rest first before it will gather another momentum, then go to the upside. So don't invest. Only thing you need to do as a day trader or a scalper, just wait for your technical analysis to play out, then you just take your money quick, then you come out. You understand? But for investors, don't invest in cryptos now. They have overbought. You understand? They have overbought. As you can see, this is all time high, and it's always happen. You understand? This all time high and it's always happen. As of 2020, 2021, when PTC is around $67,000, 68,000, everybody are buying from this particular place. Market crashed down to $15,000. You understand? $15,000 before we are seeing this push all the way to 126,000. You understand? Now market is retracing. A lot of people are complaining. What did they think? Did they want the market to keep going? No, it doesn't work that way. If you are not a day trader and a scalper, stay away. Don't invest in crypto now like this. And moreover, what pattern are you seeing on this particular weekly time frame? This is almost like an M pattern. You understand? The market want to raise. They have overbought. This is an M pattern. This is just even a warning. You understand that there shouldn't be a lot of investment now. Let people just hold first. You understand? But that's not the reason why we are here. We are here to do a top down, a simple technical analysis so that we'll know what to be expecting, so that we'll know what to do in a short period of time. So now we have seen that the market is on this particular support level on the weekly time frame. We'll go to daily time frame. You understand? And here is daily time frame. What exactly are you seeing on the daily time frame? This is a major support level that the market come spike to the downside to clear the liquidity of people who will buy from this particular support level, because this is where the market spike to and pick some people to the upside. Now it come back again to clear liquidity, to grab enough liquidity before it will have the strength to like go to the upside if you want to go and create another all-time high. You understand? So in a short period of time, what you need to do is, since you have seen clean and clear that, boss, let me see this your question before I continue. Let me see this your question. Boss, will BTC fall to 88? It might even fall below 88. Don't you see when BTC went to 68,000 dollars, it went down to how many, 15,000 dollars. You understand? Just have it in your mind as a trader that whatever goes up must come down. You understand? Whatever goes up must come down. Don't expect that the market will keep going. Even as gold is going, that people are hyping gold now like this, gold will crash to the downside. You understand? Whatever goes up must come down. That's just the simple mentality you're supposed to have as a trader. You understand? Now only just simple all these normal investors that don't have the mindset that whatever goes up will come down. No, even the life that we are living, There is an up and down in your daily life. You understand? There is a day that you have a free and like that you live your life free, and there is a day that you will be very very down and you cannot be able to do anything. That is how it is in everything. You understand? Whatever goes up must come down. You get? Whatever goes up must come down. That's it. So expect the market in a short period of time. I'm not predicting the market, the price for you for the long term. What I'm doing now is how the market is moving presently, how you can take advantage of the market to milk money from inside. That is what we are doing. Technical analysis for the traders and the scalper. You understand? Not for investors. You get? If you want to invest, hold on first. The market is overbought. BTC is overbought. That's what I have for you. So the market is on this particular support level. This is what I will expect from the market. Even from the support level sef, I have not seen an engulfing candle on the daily time frame, but that doesn't mean anything. I will go to 4 hour time frame. You understand? Because the market is on a major support level. So this is what I will do. I will go to 4 hour time frame. Let me see what the market is doing. You understand? Okay, as you can see, this is what the market see the kind of candlestick the market gave here. You understand? After the market have clear liquidity of people who will buy from this particular support level, who buy from this particular support level, the market come down, sweep them out, then do something like a consolidation. You understand? Do this consolidation, do this particular consideration before we see a break to the upside. And before you see this particular break, what exactly do you see? The market give a bearish candlestick on the 4 hour time frame. Let me delete some drawing so that you guys will see some things very well. I don't like too much drawing. I don't like too much drawing. So the market give this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? Before we see a break to the upside. You understand? Now the market is on this particular resistance level. This minor resistance level here. This minor resistance level here. The market is on this particular minor resistance level. Let me tell you what the market will do from here now. From my own technical analysis, that's what I'm telling you. See, this is 4 hour time frame, ba. um This is 4 hour time frame. The market have moved all the way from here to this particular resistance level. Then what are you seeing? We'll see a retracement down to this particular support level. This is the next support level. We'll see a retracement to. Let me delete this particular one again. Let me delete this particular major support level, because we have seen that the market is on the major support level. This is what the market will do now. You understand? As the market have reached this particular, have take out this particular high, the market will retrace to the downside to this particular support level. This support level here, this is where I'll be expecting the market to retrace to. Since the market have given this bullish engulfing candle to this area, to this resistance level, I expect the market to retrace to this particular support level before we see any other push to the upside. But don't just buy. You understand? Don't just see that the market is on this particular support level then you buy. Wait for a bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level before you take your buy. You understand? Either from the 15 minute candlestick or from 1 hour candlestick, any particular candlestick you use to take your trade, wait for a bullish engulfing candle. As you can see, this is a bullish engulfing candle from 4 hour time frame, but the market still respect it. Since this particular bullish engulfing candle, the market go to this next resistance level before we are seeing this push to the downside. So we are expecting the market to come to this support level before we see another push to the upside, or before we see a break to the downside. Simple as that. You understand? I'll be expecting more questions from you guys. I'll be expecting more questions from you guys. Just a minute, I'm coming. Just a minute. Right. I'm back. Any question? Any question? Any question? So in a short period of time, this is what I'm expecting on BTC USD. You understand? This is what exactly I'm expecting on BTC USD. You understand? Maybe from this particular resistance level now, it will like come down again, retest, because it's work market work will support and resistance level. You understand? Before we see it goes to the upside. This is what I'm expecting on DTC USD. So I'll be expecting more questions from you guys. I'll be expecting more questions from you guys. More questions, more questions, more questions, more questions, more questions, more questions. More questions, more questions, more questions. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. This is it. Yeah, boss. All right. Um, so, boss, BTC fall to 88K. Don't invest in BTC now like this. Presently, don't invest in BTC. No, no, no. It's not a good idea to invest in BTC now. You understand? If since you are a day trader or a swing trader, you can just take your trade. You understand? But make sure your risk, manage your risk very well. Don't enter trade without this thing SL. Don't ever try that. Don't enter trade without SL. You understand? SL is the only shield. You understand? That shield where they carry go with war. You understand? It's the only thing that is protecting your capital. Make sure you protect your capital every blessed day. You understand? Every blessed time you enter trade. Before you calculate how much you gain from that particular trade, calculate how much you are willing to lose. You understand? Calculate how much you are willing to lose before you even target anything you want to gain from that particular trade. Calculate how much you are willing to lose. What did I say? Calculate how much you are willing to lose before you take any particular trade. Before I take any trade, I will calculate how many pip I'm going to use, how much am I going to lose if this trade go against me, no matter how well my strategy look like, no matter how healthy my strategy play out, I'm going to calculate how much I'm going to lose first. Me and risk management na like this. 5 and 6. Me and risk management na 5 and 6. You get? So please, please, please make sure you know what you are risking. Don't over risk in any trade at all. You understand? Make sure you risk what you can afford to lose. Then you are good to go. Then you are good to go. Then you are good to go. Let me see. US Tech. Oh boy, US Tech. I dey come I say this name for the first time. Let me see because how to mark a valid swing low and swing high. Okay. Swing low and swing high is the last low and the last high. You understand? Last low and last high is the swing low and swing high. You understand? I don't know if you get me. I'm going to like show you on the chart. You understand? I'm going to like show you on the chart. And then Emmanuel, I think you have my WhatsApp number. If you have my WhatsApp number, let me know. You can check US 30. I've analyzed US 30 already, but I'm going to analyze it for you. I'm going to analyze it for you. Emmanuel, if you have my WhatsApp number, let me know. If you have my then just go to my YouTube. Go to my YouTube. There is a playlist how I analyze my chart. Go to my YouTube. There is a playlist of how I arrange every trade that I like, every analysis I do on the chart. I arrange it there. You are going to learn how to do your simple technical analysis, how to do your top down analysis is on my YouTube. That one is on a separate playlist. You are going to see it there. You understand? Follow it one after the other, one after the other. The way the one you can read and the one you can watch. You understand? Then just watch it one after the other. You are going to understand it more. You understand? But I'm still going to show you a swing low and a swing high from this particular live video. You understand? Let me see. So there are a lot of questions, I'm coming, but you receive your questions late. Eh, I don't know, maybe it's network, I don't know. Maybe it's network. Your network can be, you understand? Maybe it's network. So this is let me see if I can show you a swing low and a swing high very quick before I answer my brother media. I'll just call you media, photographics media. Let me show you swing low and swing high on the chart. Let me go to, I can even show you on the BTC USD, but then you go to other pairs, other maybe currency pair, JP USD. You understand? Okay, on JP USD now, you understand? For you to know the swing low and the swing high on JP USD is this. Let me delete all this. This is the last high. You understand? And this is the last low. This is your last high, and this is your last low. And this is your last low. So these two horizontal line now are your swing high and your swing low. This is your swing high, you understand? This is your swing low. You get this is it here. This is your swing, this is your swing low. You understand? This particular area is your swing low, and this is your swing high. The last low and the last high are your swing low and your swing high. I don't know if you understand. But any pair, any time frame at all, the last low and the last high, you understand, is your swing low and your swing is your swing low and your swing high. You understand? That's how it is. Just simple as that. Simple as that. But it's good as ask questions so that you learn. That's just it. Ask questions so that you learn. And little things like this can fuck you up in this particular forex industry. Little thing can fuck you up. So let's see. What question? What next? What next? What next? What next? What next? What next? Mm, so maybe it's because of network might be the cause of it. But sorry, okay. Then which one again? US Tech. US Tech is the same as Nasdaq 100 US 30. Okay. You can check US 30. Okay. That's very great. Are you still active? Media, are you still active? If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. Why questions come very late? US 100 and US Tech are the same. Okay. So let me check US 100, US 100, US 30. Okay, you can check US Nasdaq 100. Okay, let me check the chart. Let me check the chart. Nasdaq US 30. If anyone that is out first, then I'll just anyone that is out first. 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 US 13. Okay, NAS 100. NAS 100 index. NAS 100, is it NAS 100 index? Let me check NAS 100. Let me see how many this thing they will bring for me. NAS 100 CFD. Okay, this is NAS 100. This is NAS 100. This is NAS 100. This is NAS 100. Real quick, this is NAS 100. You understand? If you can see my screen, let me see a reaction. If you can see my screen, let me see a reaction. This is NAS 100. This is NAS 100. This is NAS 100. This is NAS 100. If you can see my screen, let me see a reaction. If you can see my screen, let me see a reaction. If you can see my screen, if the screen is clear, let me see a reaction. This is NAS 100. This is NAS 100. Okay, fire. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Your own network is very sharp. Hmm? Media, your own network is very sharp. Is it because your name is media? No mind me. No mind me. No mind me. So, as you can see, bullish engulfing candle work on this particular pair very, very, very well. Very, very well. This is 4 hour time frame, and as I can see a buy opportunity here. Can you just see? Can you just see how clean? Can you just see how clean bullish engulfing candle work from here? Are they Ghana? Oh, no be lie, no be lie. My Ghanaian brother, my Ghanaian brother, no be lie. Your network is sharp. Your network is sharp. Your network is sharp. Not that our own man no dey sharp. Oh, you know, Ghana and Nigeria, who dey get back and forth over. No be for here. No be for here. No be for here. No be for here. I love you, my brother, all the way from Ghana. My brother, my brother, my brother. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. So this is it here. This is you. This is NAS 100. Then first of all, before we do anything, let me go to the higher time frame. Let's see what the higher time frame is doing. Yes, sir. Let's see what the higher time frame is doing. As of don't call off this particular. Let me see. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? We will chat after the live. So no wahala na ade. No wahala. No wahala. Hey, Ghana and Nigeria. Hey. No wahala, my bro. I dey for you, bro. I dey for you. One love, one love, one love. So this is here. Before you do anything, go to your higher time frame and analyze the chart. You understand? Know what the chart is doing. You understand? Know what the chart is doing. As you can see, last week candlestick closed and engulfed. There is a battle between buyers and seller on NAS 100. There's a battle between buyers and seller on NAS 100. Can you just see? There's a battle between them on NAS 100. So sellers push the market from this particular all-time high down to this particular support level. Then buyers come take over from seller from this particular support level to the upside, give this bullish engulfing candle. Means there is a battle between buyers and sellers in NAS 100. This is the same thing here. This is the same pattern here. You understand? This is the same pattern. Sellers push the market with this bearish engulfing candle to this particular area. Sellers push the market to this particular area. Then buyers come push the market to the upside, just the way this particular thing form here. You understand? I think you are hearing or you are seeing the chart very, very clear. Let me expand it. You understand? There is a battle between buyers and sellers in NAS 100. You understand? So all you need to do is always wait for a bullish engulfing candle from a support level to take your buy. You understand? If you are using 15-minute candlestick or any indicator at all or anything at all you are using, wait for a bullish engulfing candlestick from a support level or a bearish engulfing candlestick from a resistance level before you take your trade. Do you get? So let's go to the lower time frame and see. We are going to daily time frame On the daily time frame, what are you seeing? On the daily time frame, the market move from the support level. Immediately it tap on the support level. This is it here. Immediately it tap on the support level. Buyers push it to the upside. Seller try to push it down. The market consolidate around this particular area before we see this bullish engulfing candle. This is last week Friday bullish engulfing candle. So I will be expecting the market this week to go up to create another higher high because of this what bullish engulfing candle. Then since you have seen what the market is doing on the daily time frame, you still go down to 4-hour time frame so that you see what the 4-hour time frame is doing. You understand? On the 4-hour time frame, this is your last resistance. This is your nearest resistance level. You understand? This is your nearest resistance level, and this is another resistance level here. You understand? On the 4-hour time frame, don't forget to, on the 4-hour time frame, this is your nearest resistance level, and this is another resistance level here. So you have two obstacles here, but this particular one cannot be able to send the market to the downside. Do you know why? Because we have a bullish engulfing candle from the downside. You understand? We have this bullish engulfing candle here. So this particular resistance level cannot be able to send the market to the downside. No, 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 not at all. You understand? Because this is a bullish engulfing candle, and even like sellers sef don't know, dey joke with bullish engulfing candle. Dem know once bullish engulfing candle form from a support level, you understand, na buyers get market that particular period before sellers will just pump in. You understand? So this is the next resistance level we'll be targeting. You understand? So if you are in for a sell, if you are in for a buy, just hold your buy to this next resistance level before you have any double mind. You understand? Because the market will go to this next resistance level, maybe retest the support level before we see a break to the upside to create another higher high. This is what I'll be expecting. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting on NAS 100. You get? This is exactly what I'm expecting on NAS 100 because I'm seeing this bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. You understand? So on the 4-hour time frame, these are the only let me see real quick. On the 4-hour time frame, these are the only obstacles that we are having. These are the only obstacles that we are having. So this is the resistance level, but this resistance level is not that strong because of the bullish engulfing candle. And if you look closely, this is 4-hour bullish engulfing candle, and this is three white soldiers for that matter. You understand? This candlestick, they call it three white soldiers. You understand? So they are going to break above this resistance level actually to the upside. You understand? Then this is where we'll see a retracement. You understand? But this is where we'll see a retracement to this next support level, because if this resistance level is if this resistance level break to the upside, it will automatically turn to a support level. Then the market will come, retest the support level, gather momentum before it will break this particular next resistance level. So this is exactly what I'm seeing on NAS 100. I don't know if you get what I just said. If you understand what I analyze on NAS 100, please let me see a fire emoji from you guys. If you understand what I said on NAS 100, the analysis we do on NAS 100, let me see a fire emoji from you guys. Let me see a fire emoji real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Let me see a fire emoji real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. A fire emoji. All right, that's very great, that's very great, that's very great, that's very great. So that's what I'm looking out for on NAS 100. That's what I'm looking out for on NAS 100. So that's it. Any question? I've already spent 2 hours 15 minutes on this particular live. I've already spent 2 hours 15 minutes on this live. Any question? I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I always put this eyeglass because of too much light. As you can see, this is ring light, this is light phone, this is laptop phone, light up light and the rest. So I need an eyeglass at least to protect my eyes. Yo. So I'm expecting a question from you guys real quick, 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 real quick. I'm expecting a question from you guys. Tomorrow is Monday. You have to ask a question so that you know what to do on the chat tomorrow. Any pair you want to take a trade on, any pair, your favorite pair, bring your favorite pair so that we'll analyze it together. Bring your favorite pair. Bring your favorite pair. I've analyzed all my favorite pair already, but bring up any favorite pair, any of your favorite pair. I'm here for you. 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 Yo, bring your favorite pairs. Bring your favorite pairs. Bring your favorite pairs. Please don't forget to like the video. Like the video. Like the video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Smash the subscribe button. It's not going to take anything from you. At least I'm trying now. I'm trying. So please do your own part. Do your own part. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can see the like. I can see the like. I can see the like. Thank you, Twali. I can see the like. I can see the like. Ooh, this is it. It's pumping. It's pumping. It's pumping. The like is pumping. The like is pumping. The like is pumping. So please like it as many as you can. Please like the video as many as you can. You understand? Then I'm waiting for your questions. 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 All I want is to give value. You understand? All I want is to give value. You understand? Value first. Value before anything. Value before anything. Value before anything. That's it. So my brother, media, is there any question or you are good for today? Is there any question or you are good for today? Is there any question or you are good for today? Any other question or you are good for today? Yeah. Okay, the WhatsApp number. All right. I'll just drop it for you and should I call it or I should just drop it and delete it immediately? Should I call it or I should just drop it and delete it immediately? Let me just type it. Then after you copy it, you let me know. If I type it, I'll just pin it. Then after you copy it, you just let me know. Then I'll remove it. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. I'll copy it. After you write it, then you let me know. Then I'll delete it. 070 83 11 9905. 070 83 11 9905. Okay, this is it here. This is it here. This is it here. This is it here. Yep. 83 11 9905. If you write it, just let me know so that I'll remove it immediately. So that I'll replace it. 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 Done. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna delete it now. Delete comment. Yeah. Yo. All right. Do you know why I delete it? Some people, like if people request for my WhatsApp number like this and I put the WhatsApp number, they will think, although I don't supposed to like be following what everybody said, you understand? Everybody with their own this thing opinion. Thanks, my brother. Thanks. We'll be vibe. No wahala, we dey. No wahala, we dey together. If I put WhatsApp number, people will think maybe I want to direct people to WhatsApp to like no. If you come on the WhatsApp number and if you come to my WhatsApp, if you come to my DM and you are requesting anything that will charge you, I will just charge you. That's just it. Then if it's just normal discussion, we'll just have a normal discussion. But if it is just one on one, then I'll charge you. That's just it. That's just it. And some people think I'm directing people to WhatsApp for another thing. No, 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 no. And I'm not directing people to my WhatsApp for another thing different. No, like what? What exactly am I going to direct you to my WhatsApp? Can I even force you to do anything? I cannot force you to do anything now. I can't force anybody to do anything. No, 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 no. You just do the one that God wants you to, that your mind wants you to do. You get. You do the one that your mind wants you to do. That's just it. That's just it. So, any questions? Any question? I'm here for you guys. I'm here to take a question from you. I'm here to take a question from you. Yo, I'm here to take a question from you. I'm here to take a question from you. Real quick, real quick, real quick. If there is any pair at all you want me to analyze for you, don't just hesitate to let me know. You just write that pair name, then we'll dive into that particular pair. Write the pair name. Although I'm tired already, but I still dey active. I'm still aggressively active. That's my name. That's the name. That's the name. Aggressively active. If there's any pair at all that you want us to analyze together, just drop it on the comments here. Drop the pair you want me to analyze for you on the comments. Then I will analyze it real quick for you, real quick for you, real quick for you. No time. No time, no time, no time, no time, no time. Make I take water. My bag of water don dey finish o. My bag of water don dey finish. My bag of water don dey finish. Na three water I dey drop o. Make I dey take am small small. Omo, na only one remain o. I go carry one join. I go buy one. I go carry one for shop too. Hey, oh boy. E no easy o. Oya, 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 oya. Waiting for your questions. Waiting for your questions. If there's any question, just hit me, 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 hit me. All right, let me just go and do random analysis on ETH USD. Let me see. You for take bottle water this week. We will trade and get money, but buy more water. No worry. Omo, bottle water for no bad o. You understand? I get bottle water for shop o, but omo, fake life no go make sense. Fake life no go make sense o. Omo, I need to come free for you guys. I need to come free for you guys. Make you no come be like say I dey come live fake life. No, 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 no. See my shop. This next shop here, the next shop is my shop. I just collect here as a studio so that I will be coming live, do my video from here. If you notice, I do some of my video from shop. You understand? If you notice, I do some of my video from shop. Then I sell all those things. I sell sachet water. I sell bottled water. I sell malt. I sell neutral milk. I sell Hollandia yogurt. I sell Chi exotic. I sell all those things, but omo, pure water is okay for me. Make I come drink pure water here. Fake life. Omo, live fake life. One is down. 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 I'm waiting for your question. If there is no question, then I'll just go do random analysis on which pair sef. I'll just go do random analysis on ETH Ethereum. Let me see what Ethereum is doing. Let me see what Ethereum is doing. Let me see what Ethereum is doing. Let me see what Ethereum ETH is doing. Let's see what ETH is doing. Let's see what ETH USD is doing. ETH, where I will even keep my water. Give me my water here. ETH USD. ETH. What is it doing? Almost 5,000 already. Almost 5,000. Almost 5,000. TH 5,000 is just, oh boy, some people. ETH 5,000 is just some people. And before this market take this their move to the downside, there is a signal. Before market take any move to the downside, e dey always give signal. I no know why people no dey see all this bearish engulfing candle. At least if market have create all time high, you need to like take out some of your position, secure your profit, secure some profit and leave some. Secure some profit and leave some. That's what they're supposed to be doing. That's what people supposed to be doing. Secure some profit and leave some. But they'll just leave it. And some will even borrow money to like invest. No, good. Before this market crash to the downside, it gives signal. It gives signal. Immediately e reach 4,958. E give this bearish engulfing candle. That is when some people like take out some position as this pullback happen. Take out some position, then leave the remaining one so that if any crash happen, you can have money to buy the dip. You understand? The more e go down, the more you buy. The more e go down, the more you buy. The more e go down, the more you buy. You understand? But some people will just leave everything like that. They will even dey hustle dey put thinking the market will not reverse to the downside. Good. 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 At least before you even venture into anything, just try know how to do some little technical analysis on that particular thing you want to venture into. Try do small little this thing, simple analysis before you venture into anything. This is it. The daily time frame the market is okay, it's moving from here now. It's come to this particular support level. It's come to this particular support level. Oh god, I'm tired. The market come to this particular support level, then we are seeing this push to the upside now. Then what exactly is it going to do? This is a bullish engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle, then it come down, make a double bottom before we are seeing this push to the upside. So What exactly am I going to do? All right. So, any question from anybody? This is 2 hour 30 minutes on the live. 2 hour 30 minutes on the live. If there is any question, please ask me before I call off the live. If there is any question, please ask me before I call off the live. um This is 2 hour 31 minutes on the live straight. I'm just doing a random analysis now. You understand? So if there is any question from you guys, so then let me know. If there is any question, if there is anything you want me to talk about, if there is any question at all, just let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know. 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 I'm just doing a random analysis on Ethereum, ETH/USD. You understand? I'm just doing a random analysis on ETH/USD. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. You see this bullish engulfing candle from here before. Okay, this is one support level here. But the way the market is going to the downside, the upside is not that healthy. It's not that healthy. So I would expect the market to either come to this particular support level. Either come to this particular support level, give something like the pattern, then move up like this, or it break to the downside, retest, then move to the next support level. This is what I'll be expecting the market to do. Understand? This is what I'll expect the market to do. Is either because the way the market go up from here is not that healthy. So nothing to. Is either you wait for the market to break below this support level, then you enter for a sell to this place, or you wait for it to come to this particular wait for it to come to this particular support level, then you enter for a buy. This is what I will be expecting on. This is what I'll be expecting on ETH USD. This is exactly what I'll be expecting on ETH Exactly what I'll be expecting on ETH. Then what again? What again? What again? Which random pair am I going to like analyze? Which random pair am I going to analyze? Let me see what Euro USD is doing now. Let me see what Euro USD is doing. Okay, the market have opened. Can you see Euro USD market have opened already, and you see this pull to the downside, right? The market will come here, consolidate, give a fake out, then break to the this thing, break to this particular area, then we'll see a spike to the upside. This is what I'll be expecting. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting. Let me see if the market open with gap. Let me see if the market open with gap. A really serious gap. So see you guys tomorrow. You understand? Anything 8 p.m. tomorrow. I'm gonna come to the live stream here, take a question from you guys as usual. Then we'll do it together. Just as usual. You get. So as you're going to take your trades this week, be very, very careful. Don't go and take an unnecessary risk that will wipe your account. You understand? Don't go and take an unnecessary risk that will wipe your account. Be very, very careful. Make sure your strategy play out clean and clear before you take your trade. I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. A profitable week ahead. So we call it a day. You understand? We call it a day because I've tried. This is 2 hour 45 minutes straight on the live. You understand? 2 hour 45 minutes straight on the live. So see you guys tomorrow by 8 p.m. Thank you, and I see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Yap, 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 yap. See you tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. I've stayed 2 complete hours 45 minutes on the live now. You get. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Omo, I don't try. I don't try. So come on the live tomorrow by 8:30 p.m. sharp. We are here. You understand? 8:30 p.m. sharp tomorrow. We are here. 8:30 p.m. sharp tomorrow. We are here. So as you are going to take your trade this week, be patient enough. Wait for your strategy to play out before you take any action. You understand? If your strategy do not play out, if what you are looking for on the chart do not play out, don't take a trade. Even if it not play out for three days, don't take a trade. Even if it not play out complete down this week, don't take a trade. Don't be a liquidity for the market. You understand? To move. Make sure you study how the market move. And if you have any question, you can bring it here tomorrow by 8 p.m. sharp. I'll be here. If there is light, if there is NEPA, you know, say that NEPA they control us now for Nigeria. If there is light, I'll be here 8 p.m. tomorrow sharp. So thank you. I see you all tomorrow. Bye for now. I love you. Or is there any question? Should I give you just 2 minutes if there is any question from you? If there is any question from you, just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. If there is any question, then just 2 minutes. So that it will be 2 hours, 50 minutes sharp. You understand? 2 hours, 50 minutes sharp. If there is any question, then I'll take from you 2 hours, 50 minutes sharp. Then I'll stop the live stream. You understand? If there is any question at all from you, let it be very fast. 2 hours, 40 minutes, 50 minutes sharp. Then I'll opt out. Then I'll be out. Then I'll be out. So I wish you guys a profitable week. A profitable week. Please and please take the advice serious. Don't go and do unnecessary. Don't go and be taking unnecessary trade. Don't go and be a liquidity to the market. Don't go and do anyhow. You understand on the charts. We have less than 2 minutes now to go. Less than 2 minutes 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 to go. Let me be prepared. Anything. Two. Let me see. Less than 2 minutes to go. Come on the live tomorrow. You understand? Come on the live. Less than 1 minute to go. 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 Yep. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. Yeah. I'm done for today. Yeah. All right. Okay. 30 seconds, 27 seconds, 26, 25, 24, 23, 28. Yep. Less than a minute. Less than a minute. Less than a minute. Less than how many seconds now? How many seconds now? How many seconds now? 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and here we go.